Well, hello guys. Another question in the series of GATE and CSIR NET and GEMS. So this question is appear in 2003 for 1 marks. For the matrix is given to you, you have to find out the eigen values. So eigen values and eigenvector, we have the concept of linear algebra. So here you have to find out the eigen values of this matrix. So here you have given A is equal to 4 1 1 4 is a matrix. How you can find out the eigen values? Firstly, I will just explain the things, and after that I will just give you a trick also. So guys, what you have to do, so in order to find out the eigen values, we have always to frame a and lambda I having determinant is equal to 0. ये आपको बनाना होता है. So guys, in this matrix it will seems like that 4 minus lambda 1 1 and 4 minus lambda, and you have to put this complete determinant of this matrix must be equal to what? 0. Okay, so here you will solve this determinant. So it will becomes 4 minus lambda and having whole square and minus 1, okay, and is equal to 0. Again try to sort out this equation, that 416 plus lambda square and minus 8 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so here you can see it will becomes lambda square and minus 8 lambda, and lambda 16 minus 1 will becomes plus 15 is equal to 0. Here you can see this is a quadratic equations, and everybody knows how we can solve out these quadratic equations. So guys, it will becomes lambda square plus minus 5 lambda minus 3 of lambda and plus 15 is equal to 0. And here you can take lambda as a common, and it will becomes lambda minus 5, and here you can take common minus 3, and it will becomes lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. From these two factors, the one is lambda minus 5 and other is lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. You can see the value of lambda will becomes what? 3 and 5. So these are what? These are the eigen value. These are the eigen value, guys. Okay, so here I'm just giving you one trick also. So if you anytime if you face this kind of a matrix, like the both diagonals are same and both non-diagonals are also same, and matrix is a square matrix, so what you have to do, always if the terms are positive, so the non-diagonal, sometime you will add both of these terms and sometime you will subtract these terms. Like if you will see subtract 4 minus 1, it will becomes 3, and add like 4 plus 1, it will becomes 5. So always these both are what? These both will be the eigen values for your matrix. Okay, like if I'm just giving you any other matrix, guys, you have like 1 5 and 5 1, so in that case you will subtract these and you will add this, like 6 and 4, these will becomes what? Eigen values for your matrix. So in order to solve these kind of a questions, you can approach like 4 minus 1 and 3 and 1 minus 4 plus 1 5 and 5. So the C part will be your answer. Okay, no need to do anything. So this is the concept of eigenvalues, and in the next lecture we will see the another. So slowly we will just go to the difficulties. Like I will not here just completing any particular topic. So from the random topics, I'm just taking questions which are appear in your previous exams. Okay, so in GATE, in CSIR NET, as well as in GEM. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this.